Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is part 2 of the T-Mobile iPhone 7 Plus IMEI repair, in which this device definitely had two blocks on it: insurance claim and EIP canceled account. So EIP canceled accounts, we can't expect to see congratulations. If it was just like an EIP unpaid where they didn't port out the number during the contract, then we can expect congratulations. But this is an EIP canceled account with an insurance claim that was filed. Voila. Device has been cleared, fully cleared. This is part 2, iPhone 7 Plus. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.